Hi, it's Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. The little video of a Jeep Wrangler Limited having a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS installed. Just jump in the car, start the car up. What you'll find is the Jeep logo is on the screen as a startup. We like to do that for some customers that like it. This is got wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, FM. It's also wired as well. It's got several camera inputs, front dash cam and rear camera. If you'd like to have this done in your Jeep Wrangler Limited, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.